In this video, we will show you how to set stop loss and take profit on MT4 desktop. A stop loss will automatically close your order at a predetermined level to stop your losses from becoming any more significant. A take profit will automatically close your order at a predetermined level to lock in any profit. We recommend you always set these levels when you enter the market. The first step is to open MetaTrader 4 on your desktop computer. Next, click New Order from the bar at the top of the terminal. The new order form will pop up on the screen. Ensure you have selected the correct symbol, for example, Euro/US. Set the volume in lots. Now, we come to the stop loss and take profit fields. If you're setting a buy order, your stop loss should go below the current bid price, and the take profit should go above the current bid price. The opposite is true for sell orders, but on the ask price. The stop loss should go above the current ask price, and the take profit should go below the current ask price. But what if you want to add a stop loss and take profit to an already open trade? Easy. Double-click the Open Order in the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen. This will open the order form. Select Modify Order from the drop-down menu. Now you can set the desired levels for stop loss and take profit. You can even use this menu to select how many points you want the levels to be set at. Just remember that at FXChoice, we use 5 decimal quotes, so if you want to set the targets 30 pips away, you should set the number as 300, not 30. Each pip is 10 points. If you are selecting this method, click Copy As on both targets and then Modify to finalize your modification just under the area. And that's it. Congratulations, you have just set stop loss and take profit levels to your position. Thank you for watching our FXChoice how-to video. Be sure to check out our other videos on the FXChoice YouTube channel.